Question 3. Find the first 4 terms in the expansion of 1 plus x over 2 to the power 10 in ascending powers of x, giving each term in its simplest form. So here we're using a binomial expansion. 1 plus something to the power 10. So the first terms are 1 plus, and then it's 10 choose 1, the number of ways of choosing 1 from 10, which we can write as 10 over 1 in a bracket. And then multiplied by the x over 2. Next term is the number of ways of choosing 2 from 10, 10c2. And that's multiplied by x over 2 squared. The next term, the number of ways of choosing 3 from 10. And that's multiplied by x over 2 cubed. Now there would be several more terms, but we haven't been asked to find those. So let's simplify this. 1 plus 10c1. The number of ways of choosing 1 from 10 is just 10. So it's 10 times x over 2. 10c2, the number of ways of choosing 2 from 10 is 10 times 9 over 1 times 2. 90 divided by 2 is 45, so it's 45. And if I bring the square inside this bracket, that will be x squared over 4. X over 2 times x over 2 is x squared over 4. Now you can work these out on your calculator, 10c3, or you can realize that it's 10 times 9 times 8 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times, so it's 10 times 3 times 4, which is 120. But all scientific calculators will work out combinations for you if you prefer. X over 2 cubed is x cubed over 8. Right, one final simplification. Just put some plus signs there to show there actually are some more terms. 1 plus 10 times x over 2 is 5x, plus 45 over 4, or you could write 11.25 x squared, plus 120 divided by 8 is 15, so it's 15 x cubed, plus the terms we're not bothering to find. And that completes part A. Part B says use this expansion to estimate the value of 1.005 to the power 10, giving your answer to 5 decimal places. Well, we need to realize that we can write this as 1 plus, now what will x have to be? If I want this to be 0.005, this second term in the bracket, x will need to be 0.01, because when I divide that by 2, I would get the 0.005. So that means I can just substitute the value 0.01 for x in this expansion here. So this is approximately 1 plus 5 times 0.01 plus 45 over 4 times 0.01 squared plus 15 times 0.01 cubed. And if we put that in the calculator, it comes to 1.05114. And that's accurate to 5 decimal places as required.